Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, the maths teacher. Children, you have learned about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping in the previous class. Today, we will learn the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping of tens place. Okay? So, shall we start? Let us subtract the number 484 minus 327. Okay, first let us arrange it in columns. 484 minus 327. Now children, okay, where shall we start? We shall start from the ones place. Now, in the ones place, what are the digits? 4 and 7. So, just see children, can you subtract 7 from 4? No, it is not possible, isn't it? Because 4 is smaller than 7. So, what we have to do? Yes, first we have to regroup the number in the tens place and carry it over to the ones place. Okay? So, from 8 tens, you take away 1 ten. So, how many tens are left now? 7 tens, isn't it? And so, now here 10 plus 4 will give you 14, isn't it? 10 plus 4 will give you 14. So, now you have 14 here and you have, now you can subtract 7 from 14. So, how do you subtract 7 from 14? Yes, keep 14 in mind and take 7 in hand. Take 7 in hand. So, what is 14 minus 7? Count backward from 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. So, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. What are the digits in the tens place? 7 and 2. From 7, you take away 2. So, take 7 in hand and take away 2. So, how many are left? 5. So, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And what is 4 minus 3? Yes, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, the answer is 157. In this way, you can subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens. Now, let us subtract the number 693 minus 125. First, arrange it in columns. 693 minus 125. So, first let us subtract the digits in the ones place. But the upper digit here is 3 and from 3 you cannot take away 5. So, you have to regroup the number and you can take away 1 10 to the ones place. Okay? So, when you take away 1 10 to the ones place, you have how many tens left here? See, there are 9 tens. Okay? From that you take away 1 10. So, how many are left? 8 tens. Now, this 10 plus 3 will give you 30. 10 plus 3 is equal to 30. Now, from 30 you have to subtract 5. So, take 13 in mind and 5 in hand and count backward. 13 minus 5 is equal to, count backward, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So, the answer is 8. Now, how many tens are here? 8. From that you take away 2. So, take 8 in mind and 2 in hand. Count backwards. Before 8, 7. Before 7, 6. So, the answer is 6. Now, 6 minus 1. 6 in mind, 1 in hand. So, before 6, 5. So, the answer is 568. So, in this way, we can subtract 3-digit numbers easily. Okay?
Now subtract the number 643 minus 360. So what is the first step? Yes, you have to subtract from 3 6. Is it possible? No. So we have to regroup the number 4 in tens place, isn't it? So when you take away one 10, how many tens are left? Yes, 3 tens. And in the ones place, now we have 10 plus 3, 13 ones, isn't it? Now let us subtract from 13 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. Now in tens place, we have 3 tens. From 3 tens, take away 1 10. How many tens are left? Yes, 2 tens, isn't it? Now, let us subtract the digits in hundreds place. So, we have 6 hundreds and from them you take away 3 hundreds. So, how many hundreds are left? 3 hundreds, isn't it? So, the answer is equal to 327. Now, let us do a word problem. Out of 875 students in a school, 358 students went to visit the zoo. How many students did not visit the zoo? So, what shall we do first? Yes, we have to write the steps. So, number of students is equal to 875. And the number of students who visited the zoo is equal to 358. So, the number of students who did not visit the zoo can be found by subtracting 358 from 875. That is 875 minus 358. Now let us subtract the number. So let us start from the ones place. So you can see from the ones place that 5 is smaller than 8. So we have to regroup the digit in the tens place. So when you take away 1 10 from 7, how many tens are left? 6. And in the ones place you have 10 plus 5, 15 ones. Now 15 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 7 ones. Now let us subtract the digits in the tens place. Now from 6 tens you can take away 5 tens. So the answer is 110. Now let us subtract the digits in the hundreds place. 8 hundreds minus 3 hundreds will give you 5 hundreds. So we have got the answer as 517. So the number of students who did not visit the zoo is equal to 517. So children, I hope now you have clearly understood how to subtract numbers by regrouping in tens place. Okay? Practice more problems, children.
So, children, go through the animation video which I have attached in this session. Write down the notes and practice the text exercises in the textbook. Okay? You need a lot of practice while doing subtraction. So, do it again and again. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.